we're still at Woodstock?
Yes, but they are on the other side of Woodstock Road. Basically, they're going to hit the Through Trail White, to the Roadbed Connector Trail, to the Davis Trail, to the More Fun Trail, then back to the Through Trail White, to Bob.
Wait, there's a trail named Bob.
Yeah, I don't know, dude. I don't know who names these things. After that, they're hitting the lower Through Trail, and then back to the Through Trail White.
According to All Trails data, there's a lot of climbing. Looks like the e-bike is going to be suffering the inferiority of the regular riders again.
Don't start with that shit again.
Yeah, it's not that superior. In fact, there's a rider not on an e-bike that's in front of the e-bike the entire time.
There is a 1,000% chance that it's not one of our regular clowns.
First off, they're mine and Meathead's clowns. You are their clown. And second, of course it's not gonna be one of them. They are not used to riding with an e-bike. Therefore, all of the hatred is going to be focused on the e-bike, as it should.
I'm gonna need some rolling momentum. Oh, you fell off already? I didn't see it. Nice.
You got my crash on there, so that's all that matters.
Actually, no, he didn't.
Well, that's why I don't think you were recording much, because you got 95% battery. I expect nothing less, Andrew.
Sounds superior to me.
There was an unknown failure with the GoPro. It was just recording, and then it wasn't.
Hey, didn't the e-bike dude say that he worked for GoPro?
He sure did. Maybe he could explain why the GoPro is so inferior, being that superior human that you claim he is on an e-bike.
I have zero comment.
Of course you don't. All your coding is filled with, what's that word I'm looking for, Meathead?
Cognitive dissonance.
Nailed it.
That's 2 words.
Shut the hell up.
Anytime I give somebody a camera, I'm just ready for the disappointment. You know, if I get something that's good, it's like, wow.
Look at the GoPro. It's been getting me upside down like this the whole time.
Was it really?
Yeah.
When did it turn?
I have no idea.
In most people's defense, they're just not used to having a camera. So it's like you don't really think about things.
I mean, I don't really think about things.
Oh, we're not going up that hill.
You're good. God damn it, Sam. It wasn't my fault. Earlier, it's not going down that fast.
Or the motor and the the battery mostly.
Yeah.
See, I can keep up on the flats, man. It's those long, sustained hills that just fry me. That's the other joy of getting older, is your recovery times take twice as long now, too.
Yeah.
Holy shit, that was slick.
Well, the beginning of that trail we first did, it got long.
Yep. Whew.
Yep.
Can't go any further, there's too much mud. Right? Yep. You have no friends, come on. Hey, look, we got a Bigfoot hut.
Looks like they got smart in regards to the e-bike. They put the old guy in the middle of the pack to create subterfuge.
To create what?
Subterfuge is a synonym of deception, fraud, double dealing, trickery.
Yeah, I know what the word means. I just never hear anybody use it.
It's pretty interesting though, the shift in the group dynamic. Very subtle, but they're all basically saying on an unconscious level, I'm not keeping up with this stupid e-bike anymore.
They wouldn't have to if they weren't so inferior.
It's only gonna get better. Hey, go to the right.
What?
No, nothing.
I heard it.
You got a prostate problem. Go to the doctor.
Better say when.
When?
Well,
That was the little engine. He's OG compared to Thomas.
everybody else good?
Yeah, go for it.
My horn says what?
I'll bring up the rear, I'm good.
Don't forget your Hamlet. Hamlet? Your Hamlet.
Hamlet, Act 1, Scene 5. Is that where he dies on the trail? Could be.
Hamlet, Act 1, Scene 5. The ghost tells Hamlet how he was murdered by his brother Claudius. He reveals that Claudius poured poison in his ear while he was asleep and managed to seduce Gertrude. He instructs Hamlet to revenge his foul and most unnatural murder.
I like the brakes, but man, this breeze feels so soothing, so cooling. Oh, what's this? Is this downhill? Get the hell out of here. Say, what? There is downhill? It does exist here? Pretty chunky though. Definitely got some good scenery here though. Whee! Really good looking trail. Just too bad it sucks to get to all these hills. Oh snap. Just gotta find that slow poke rhythm. Yep. Downhill certainly wasn't worth these two hills. Oh my god, I made it. Thought I doomed myself at the end there. Whew, good times.
Bro, this just seems like a repeat of the other side of the road. Lots of climbing.
There's a few more short downhills, but not many. And it's over.
Ooh, certainly this hill up from the beginning.
Just another little taste of that sweet downhill. Just a little taste.
Ha ha ha.
What's up? You good? Oh, I just went right through some landmines.
How you doing, Rick?
I'm good. I'm just not trying to keep up with the e-bike. That ain't happening. I don't care how much ADD he's got.
Smart human.
Inferior human.
Take that pedal out, I bet it'll sap a lot of that right out of him. No power. Looks like we got another 10 seconds of downhill up here. Whoop-de-fucking-do. I think I took the long way. Definitely. Why am I not surprised?
Bro, I'm pretty sure he's had enough of that e-bike.
Yep. If I know this guy, he's about to go full throttle, sarcastic jackass.
That reminds me of somebody.
Don't even go there, bro. Why do you think I hate him so much? Why do you think I give him so much shit?
I'm like sitting right in the sun. Ah, that's way better. Whew. I don't know about you, but these hills are killing me. Like, I'm feeling strong through them, but good lord, man. It's just one after another. I need more recovery time. Yeah. I think this is the hardest we've ridden in a long time, like, without any real breaks.
And here it comes.
Oh yeah, get you some. Screw that e-bike.
I'm going to the right. I don't care where the fuck they go. They can pedal around all day till he gets a low battery. I don't give a shit. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out, dude. It's like for every 30 seconds of downhill you might get, you're getting like 10 minutes of uphill. I mean, obviously, if I was in better shape, the trail probably wouldn't be that bad, but good lord, man. I like my gratification, damn it, and I'm not getting much here. I feel like I'm taking this trail out to dinner and buying her lots of gifts, and she ain't putting out.
You know what that's like, don't you, bro?
Yes, he isn't even capable of achieving the friend zone. He's basically been corrupted by incel threads.
Nobody asked you anything.
If we're going down to, you said there's a turn up here?
Go down to the river here, yeah. Here to the right.
So just keep going to the right, that goes back?
Yeah, why, you ready to go back?
Oh yeah, dude, there's more hill than reward here. If I were panning for gold, I would have packed up and went home. I would have been sending letters of sadness back home. Dear Caroline, I have not struck it rich as expected. Whee! Oh man, more hill. Well, that wasn't worth all that effort.
Damn, he is on a mission.
Move, bitch. Get out the way. Ha ha ha.
Oh, you sons of bitches.
Canadian like that. Canadian, right?
Who?
You.
What? I ain't Canadian.
You're like the guy from the Muddy Ducks.
Hi, this is the most fun I've had all day, man. Yeah, I'm good.
Alright, see you guys.
See ya. Whew. Nice meeting you, man. See ya.
They couldn't hang with this superior e-bike anymore.
Nah, bro. They just got smart. The funniest part is they basically blamed the old guy. Used him as the excuse to go back.
There were no hard feelings, though. The e-bike dude, the old one, and the young one all ate lunch at the Woodstock Inn afterwards. Just incompatible riding styles is all.
Yes, one is superior and the other inferior.
I'm sorry, are you talking about us again? I told you, there is no us. NPCs are not my type. Everyone knows they're inferior.
Damn, I like her.
Me too, bro. I hope she sticks around.
Yeah, don't count on it. This guy's a loser.
Aww.
Who put Andrew in front?
I don't know. God did. God took the wheel. Jesus took the wheel.
Not even Jesus could help me on the C&O with him. Oh, what about it?
You drove on the tree that had cut out that's falling down.
Hey, look, we got a Bigfoot hut. Oh, no.
That reminds you of your C&O Canal days?
No, it didn't remind me because it had already been cleared.
Damn, bro. I think you may have given him a little PTSD on that trip.
They certainly will never forget it, that's for sure.
Round 7, fight.
That kind of tree and bring it. You had to go through that and around it, right?
Yeah, about 6 or 7 of those big ones like that. Oh, shit. Whew. See, this is not too bad. I like fucking... I'll do flats all day, dude.
I like David Farm.
I liked it too. My heart was acting weird that
Well,
day.
that and the ride stuff. Get out there?
Oh, I don't mind it because I go there all the time anyway.
Oh, you're used to it.
I got family there. As much as those hills kicked my ass, I know I'm in much better shape because I only had to walk up a very small portion of them.
That's good. Better than you were the first time last year.
Yeah.
Oh, damn it.
What was it I was saying about the
Flip off
hills?
the pedal.
Me. Don't go this way. Wasn't expecting this.
Oh, damn. My handlebar, just look at this. Hold up.
Just lean back. That's more like the C&O Canal.
Told you.
You got 2 options. Slide underneath it or bunny hop it.
Hold on, his stem come loose.
Oh, is that what he's talking about?
Yeah. Whole handlebar twisted.
Do you need any tools?
Good thing it didn't come loose on when he was going.
Yeah, seriously. His handlebars came loose and that was the one thing he tightened.
How many ass clowns does it take to put on a lever and a shifter?
Approximately 3.
I'm just observing.
2.5.
The one thing Sam tightened, his handlebars, came loose.
Where to go, Sam, tonight?
James is dropping his bike. Did I get that? I hope. Because that's hilarious. That downhill was fun, dude.
Yeah, boy. That was the best
Nah,
part of the whole
yeah, not worth the hell of an effort though. You good?
hard time going left.
You good? I heard what you said, but it didn't register. I thought you were just talking about the that rock. Because I was like, oh shit, wasn't expecting any bunny rabbits. I think I might be going to the Woodstock Inn to get some lunch if they're open.
Oh, absolutely. I'm with you.
We got this apple core. You want to eat that?
Hey man, you done with that apple core?
Ooh.
I'm done with that fart. You want that?
Oh wait, no, he said fart. I forgot.
Maybe if it came out of Charlene Tilton's ass, I'd take a bite.
Yeah, darn it. Walk on in.
Say what? There's a few. Woo! Seriously, gotta ratchet that shit through there. Oh, dude, that's a complete crank buster right there.
Maybe one more than the other.
Yeah, there's no getting over that, dude. I just bottomed out like a mofo.
I don't know what I did. I mean, I know what I did, but I don't want to admit to it.
How the hell did I make it to the leader of the pack here? So, I must be getting in better shape than I thought. I mean, they're not the greatest glasses, but it's better than these that slide down my face every 3 seconds. To the left.
I know where we are. Hey man, I got an e-bike, but you guys ready to go already? Come on. Same way? Yeah, same way.
I was very polite. I just needed that little nicotine shot. Dude, this roller coaster chain, I think I'm gonna put the KMC back on. Andrew, you like that muddy door?
Sure do.
Oh wow, is the Andrew cam fired back up again?
Looks and sounds like it.
It was definitely operator error.
No, bro. The editor can see where it failed, how much battery life was left when he checked it, and the corrupted files. You failed.
Ha! Just like he does trying to pick up females at that seedy bar he hangs out in the metaverse.
You can both eat my virtual ass.
Oh, dude. I know, I got one right to my fucking face. The one to the face kind of threw me off course. I did not get as much air off that as I wanted.
Hello! Somebody popped their tire.
I think somebody's spitting rocks. Oh shit.
What? I didn't hear shit, boy. Oh no. Here we go.
With a... Woo!
Come on.
Oh, there goes another bash guard basher.
I tried to make sure I didn't bash it. It hasn't broke yet.
It is a fun from Amazon, so I know it's quality. Oh shit. Another basher.
I'm going in this line, in this line, in this line. It's my wannabe 29ers.
Where's this evil hill? Oh, this.
I simply do not have the energy.
I didn't have the traction. That's too loose. Oh wow, your battery didn't die? Yeah, dude, my roller coaster had no downhill today. Just straight climbing. Oh, that's why I don't think you were recording much, because you got 95% battery. I expect nothing less, Andrew.
Special needs Andrew.
Anytime I give somebody a camera, I'm just ready for the disappointment. You know, if I get something that's good, it's like, wow.
I'm still waiting to see something on this channel that makes me say wow.
Well, there has been a bunch that has made me say ow.
True. I'll give you that one. Thanks for watching, and if you really enjoyed it, please be so kind to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and
smash the bell. Dude, are we gonna finish watching my favorite movie or what?
Absolutely, bro. I've already got your favorite scene queued up. Just come on up.
Sweet.
Cowboys' butts drive me nuts.
They're large and in charge and looking for chickies. Luckily, my neck broke my fall. Keep that skull, baby. That's what I'm talking about.